All right, you got the main meal figured out. You're doing a roast beef, or you're doing a bird on the grill, right? Might some ribs. You need a good side and real quick and easy to do. You got to check this side dish out. In fact, some of you use it as a main dish. The heck with the bird and the ribs and the beef, right?
Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. Got my barbecue shoes
Welcome to BBQ Today we're cooking up some roasted pan potatoes at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, the ultimate side dish. You got some great barbecue going on, right? You got the ribs on, you got the turkey on, whatever. You need a side dish. You got to check this out, and it's real easy to do. All right, I have here some new potatoes and some red potatoes. You've seen these in the market, I'm sure. They're readily available now. And what's great about these potatoes, they're thin-skinned, right? Like your in-laws. Thin-skinned, you can eat them. You don't have to peel them. It makes for an easy and quick side dish, right? So I've got the reds, I've got the news here, and I've got some pearl onions. You got to add some pearl onions to this dish to make them real good, because we're roasting them on an open fire. All right, so we've got a 12-inch cast iron pan. Makes it easy, makes it look real pretty. We've got our potatoes and the onions all sorted in there to look real pretty. And we're just going to hit it with some good cooking oil, right? Perfect. And we're going to grab some seasoning. And this is optional. Maybe some salt and pepper or what you have. We're using our SPG. And just throw some of it on and then give it a good mix. Get that oil and seasoning all over these potatoes. Oh, man, I'm telling you. Yeah, you can use this as a main dish, really. You don't have to use it as a side. That's up to you. All right. Now, we've got a couple thin slices of bacon. This is not going to really change the taste profile of this. We're after some of the bacon fat, essentially. And so, optional, but we like doing it because it's bacon. And everything is better with bacon in this world, right? No doubt about it. So we'll just tuck a couple slices in there. Oh, man, I'm telling you. We should just fast forward, get to the end of this thing. Now, we're going to put it on the kettle grill. Use your favorite grill or use your oven, whatever. We've got a temperature of about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe a little higher. And it won't take long, maybe 45 minutes. Now, once or twice during this cook, you might want to check them out. Move the potatoes around a bit. Get some more even cooking. Oh, yeah. And you can get that grill look out of them. You can see that right there. There's plenty of flavor. All right. Not long. So, in the miracle of time, about 45 minutes is gone, more or less. It may be different for you, but the best way to do it is just check them out, right? You want them nice and creamy and soft on the inside. The onions look perfect. You don't want to overcook them. And this is what you'll get, right? Nice and soft and creamy with a crispy skin on the outside. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So the only thing you have to do now is, of course, hook them up with your favorite meal, your favorite barbecue. We just happen to have a roasted turkey ready and waiting. Oh, yeah. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out our website, follow us, join us, start your own chapter. We appreciate your support.